Priyanka K. studying at Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today in this video, we'll know about comparison of plant and animal cell. Firstly, we'll know what is plant cell and then animal cell and then comparison of plant and animal cell. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells with a true nucleus along with specialized structures called organelles that carry out certain specific functions. First, now what is a plant cell? Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that vary in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. Both plant and animal cells contain a nucleus along with similar organelles. One of the distinctive aspects of plant cell is that presence of a cell wall outside the cell membrane. This is the structure of plant cell which has different components. Now we'll know what are the different components of plant cell. Firstly, cell wall. It is the rigid layer which is composed of polysaccharides, cellulose, pectin, and hemicellulose. This is located outside the cell membrane. It also comprises glycoproteins and polymers such as lignin, cutin, and submarine. The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. The plant cell wall is also involved in protecting the cell against mechanical stress and providing form and structure to the cell. It also filters the molecules passing in and out of it. Now, cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is the semi-permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall. It is composed of a thin layer of protein and fat. The cell membrane plays a very important role in regulating the entry and exit of specific substances within the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is this membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. The vital function of a nucleus is to store DNA or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. Nucleolus. It manufactures cell protein producing structures and ribosomes. Nucleopore. Nucleomembrane is perforated with holes called nucleopore that allows proteins and nucleic acids to pass through. Plastids, they are the membrane bound organelles that have their own DNA. They are necessary to store, starch, and carry out the process of photosynthesis. It is used in the synthesis of many molecules, in which in the form of building blocks of the cell. Okay, now Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus are found in the eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. Ribosomes are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein. They are the sites of protein synthesis, also referred to as protein factories of the cell. Mitochondria. They are the double membraned organelles found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrates and sugar molecules. They're also referred as powerhouse of the cell. Plant cell functions are like the building blocks of the plants. Photosynthesis is the major function performed by the plant cells. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast of the cell. It is the process of preparing food by the plants by utilizing sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Energy is produced from the ATP in the form of ATP in the process. A few plant cell helps in the transport of water and nutrients from the roots to leaves into different parts of the plants. An animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall and has a true membrane bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. Animal cell range in size from a few microscopic microns to a few millimeters. The largest known animal cell is ostrich egg, which can stretch over 5.1 inches across the waist, about 1.4 kilograms. This is the stark contrast to the neuron in the human body, which is just 100 microns across. The shape of the animal cell also varies, with some being flat, others oval or rod shaped. There are also more shapes such as curved, spherical, concave, and rectangular. Most of the cells are microscopic in size and can also be seen under the microscope. This is the structure of animal cell, which also contains of different components. We'll now see the different components of animal cell structure. Animal cell structures are generally smaller than plant cells. Another defining characteristics is its irregular shape, that is, due to absence of cell wall. But animal cell shares other cellular organisms with plant cells, as both have evolved from eukaryotic cells. A typical animal cell comprises of following cell organelles: cell membrane, a thin semi-permeable membrane layer of lipids, proteins surrounding the cell. Its primary role is to protect the cell from its surrounding. Also, it controls the entry and exit of nutrients and other microscopic entities into the cell. Nucleus. It is the organelle that contains several other suborganelles such as nucleolus, nucleosomes, and chromatins. It also contains DNA and other genetic materials. Nuclear membrane. It is a double membrane structure that surrounds the nucleus. It also referred as the nuclear envelope. Centrosome, it is the small organelle found near the nucleus, which has the thick centered with radiating tubules. The centrosomes are where microtubules are produced. Lysosome, they are the round organelles surrounded by membrane and comprising digestive enzymes which help in digestion, excretion, and in the cell renewal process. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like material which contains all the cell organelles enclosed within the cell membrane. The substance found within the cell nucleus contained by the cellular membrane is called nucleoplasm. Golgi apparatus, a flat, smooth-layered, sac-like organelle which is located near the nucleus and involved in the manufacturing, storing, packing, and transporting the particles throughout the cell. Mitochondrion, they are these pedicle or rod-shaped organelles with a double membrane. They are the powerhouse of a cell as they play an important role in releasing energy. Ribosome. They are the small organelles made up of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules, and they are the sites of protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum. This cellular organelle is composed of a thin binding network of membranous sacs originating from the nucleus. The difference between plant and animal cell. The cell is a fundamental unit of life. All the life activities are carried out by the cells, the organisms that can be classified based on the number of cells present in them. Unicellular organisms are the single celled, while multicellular organisms have a large number of cells. Unicellular organisms are believed to be one of the earliest forms of life on the earth. Eventually, more complex multicellular organisms evolved from these unicellular life forms over the eons. Multicellular organisms have specified cells with complicated cell organelles with which unicellular organisms typically lack. In an ecosystem, plants have a role of producers while animals have taken the role of consumers. Hence, their daily activities and functions vary. So does their cell structure. Cell structure and organelles vary in the plants and animals and are primarily classified based on their function. The difference is their cell composition in the reason behind the difference between plant and animal cells. Each organelle has a particular function to perform. Some of the cell organelles are present in both plant and animal cells, which other are unique to just one of them. Most of the Earth's higher organisms are eukaryotes, including all plants and animals. Hence, these cells share some similarities typically associated with eukaryotes. For example, all eukaryotic cells consist of